Now that we're coming up to summer, lots of people are going to weddings, going on holiday. They just want to look a little bit smarter. And a lot of people have been coming in inquiring about tooth whitening.
So a lot of people ask how we do the teeth whitening. So we do the home kit here at the practice. So basically we get the patient to come in and have some moulds done of their teeth. So we make up some little trays that fit exactly to their teeth. And then they have a set made up, and then they get some bleaching gel. So they do the bleaching at home themselves. So it's just a case of popping the trays in their mouth over about an hour and a half. And you do that for a certain amount of times until you're happy with the lightness of the teeth. Do it while you're watching TV or doing the ironing or something like that. And then, you can keep the trays forever, and then you can just buy the bleach when you fancy having them topped up. Me personally, I've done it myself, and I was happy after a few goes of whitening them, and then every few months now I think, oh well, I could do with lightening them up again, so I just pop in my trays for an hour and a half and just give them another go.
I know that a lot of people are concerned about side effects, including sensitivity. Sensitivity, I've done whitening before, and I did find that the first couple of times I did it, my teeth were very sensitive. It's like a very zingy type of effect. Although that went away completely after a couple of days. It's something that's very temporary. It's not a permanent thing. You won't have sensitivity for the rest of your life. What you can do things to avoid the sensitivity or to reduce the sensitivity, such as using a sensitive toothpaste, something like Sensodyne or Colgate Pro Relief. That can really help to reduce the sensitivity there.
People often ask if there is an issue with using bleach for your teeth. Obviously the one that we used is dentally approved and is absolutely fine and safe for patients. Obviously you don't want to be swallowing a large amount of bleaching gel, but that's why we minimise the amount we put in the trays, and when you put it onto your teeth, any excess you remove. But even if you did swallow a little bit, it's not harmful. Absolutely fine. In terms of when people might like to top up their bleaching after they've had it done, it's personal preference really. Factors in your lifestyle obviously will make staining more for some people, so a lot of red wine drinkers, smokers, things like that will obviously get more staining on their teeth and might need to do it more regularly. But on a personal note, I do it every few months, just to give one go, just to lighten them. But you could go 6 months to a year. It all depends how you feel in yourself. If you feel they're just getting a bit dull and you want to brighten them up a little bit, then just give them another go. But you've got those trays forever, so it's really easy just to have those in your bathroom and think, okay, I'll just give them a go today.
So we've had lots and lots of positive feedback from the tooth whitening. Lots of people are really happy with the results. I've done some whitening on my teeth as well. I did it over a year ago now, and I'm still happy with the results. I haven't had to top it up at all. So it's something that I definitely recommend. It's so simple and so easy, and so many people are happy with the results. So I definitely recommend it.
Most people who've had our bleaching done here at the practice or taken the kit home have been really, really pleased with the results. You're not going to get teeth like Simon Cowell, or Ross out of Friends, where they glow in the dark, because you can do it to your own whiteness. So it only whitens them to a natural shade. So basically it takes you back to being youthful. So when you were a child and you had a really lighter shade, it will take it back to that. It's not going to make them artificially glowing, but people are really find that it makes them feel more confident with their smiling. So it's good.